Hello everybody, is this a bullish dip, bullish retracement on Bitcoin, or will we actually fall lower and see 30k prices again? You're gonna find out in this video. So first of all guys, today we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm first gonna talk you through Bitcoin, then Ethereum. You always need to know what Bitcoin is doing if you're trading Ethereum, in my opinion, yeah? First of all, you saw it in the thumbnail. Again, previous support turning into resistance. Of course, we get a dip. Of course, we retrace. What am I now looking for? For me, this is a totally bullish retracement, yes, until we don't lose the 382, which is going to be this level. We don't really want to lose the 382 for this still to continue up. Until we lose that, for me, overall, this is still bullish price action, yeah? Now, let's get to the levels that you are interested in, I guess, and to a bit of a lower time frame. So yeah, levels, guys, should be clear. If you're not trading the local time frames, just look at the weekly and the monthly. The daily are only for intraday trades for me. Yeah, but overall, clearly defined support resistances. As I said, you could basically trade off of these horizontals alone if you would like to. Yeah, let's look for confluences then. We have some naked point of controls. Right here, you can visually see 41,500, 41,400, really important support. Confluence with the 382. This is what I'm looking for, yeah? As said in the last video, I want to see a dip below these lows, taking stop losses on the 382, claiming the daily, and then for a safe-ish long to the upside. This is still in place, yeah? Overall, we have traded shorts. Why? Because we had swing failure patterns, guys. Yeah, it's not that difficult, to be honest. Yeah, it's not that difficult if you know what you're doing. Yeah, if you want to learn this type of technical analysis that I teach, come in our Discord. Yeah, start learning there. It's completely free. If you want to go the next step, join our Shadow Ventures members crew, where I will give you live courses every Thursday. Yeah, live trading course every Thursday from me. Pretty nice feedback I got so far, so people are improving. I love it, guys. I love it. So let's move on with the analysis. Yeah, my next level is definitely weekly. I will look for 39k ish retracement if we get it. Although this would only be a scalp long. Yeah, until we lose this level. You'd rather be short than long, but then previous resistance turning into support again to be aware of. Really important to be aware of. Then fixed ranges, we can see the volume levels again up here. Clearly 47k, the point of control. I think for swing traders, higher time frame, this is the most important. Afterwards 48,700 and then 50k. 5800 for 51k ish region for resistance. Yeah, support clearly defined 40,900 ish. This region down here clearly defined support. If we pump from now, so be it. Yeah, I'm loaded up with longs on Ethereum. Yeah, gonna talk you through Ethereum afterwards. Then next levels for the upside resistance locally for the day trader, 44,400 ish from the daily golden pocket value area high of this range. Really nice level for a potential short. Otherwise, level to level, guys, I'm not going to give you every level, otherwise you would just be confused. Yeah, you can mark the levels and go on the low time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, and then the levels are pretty clear. Yeah, if you're trading this price action, levels are pretty clear. So to me, it's not that cluttered, just so you are aware of. Yeah, if you're a higher time frame trader, just ignore the dailies and probably also the naked point of controls. Yeah, only watch for the yellow and the purple levels, not the blue ones, if you're on a higher time frame. Then next levels, guys, next levels. This is still locally, not really interesting for you guys, but what is interesting for you is the speed fan. Let's go onto a 4-hour time frame. You can see the speed fan. What would be really nice if we would hit the weekly with the naked point of control on the 618 speed fan. That would be perfect for me. Yeah, perfect. Would be coming in at 51k ish, 5800 ish. As I said, just another time aspect in your charts. What is the next speed fan we can pull? Of course, the one from the low to the high. Also really nice. What would be confluence for that? Most likely the weekly and the naked point of control. Depends on how hard we fall. If we fall right now, I would say 39k ish, 38,500. This region would be perfect for longs. If you then start to fall down here, yeah, if you lose that, but that would as well, guys, starting from a scalp long, and then if price action looks nice, then I'm gonna turn it into a swing trade. But this would just be a local trade for me, yeah? Again, resistance turning into support. Next levels, guys. Last thing I want to show you is the upward sloping channel. We bounced exactly from the middle. That's basically the reason why we bounced. We are back within the channel, so look, I'm still looking for lower, guys. I would like to see lower, honestly. Price will do whatever it wants, but I would love to see lower, although I'm still in a long on Ethereum. So talking about Ethereum, let's jump to it. Ethereum, guys, my analysis. I've not been giving you Ethereum analysis in a while, so let's go. First of all, how could have you traded this drop? Exactly the same as Bitcoin with a swing failure pattern. Yeah, close the candle below the level, enter the short, stop loss above the wick, really high risk to reward, which would give you something like that. Targeting the lows, yeah, already at 5 to so nice, guys, so nice. Other than that, we came down lower. Yes, what did we get? First of all, the horizontals. Again, ignore the dailies if you're not a day trader, and just look at the higher levels. Otherwise, you can see clearly defined. The accuracy of these levels is just crazy. As I said, you can basically trade these levels only if you are skilled enough to mark them correctly. Just so that I've said it again. Then naked bottom patrols, really clear. 2800 region, 2770-ish. Really important support for me. Let's look for other confluences though, because that's not enough for me to take a trade. Yeah, 382. We have the 382 right here. We did not quite touch it. What do we also have right here is the golden pocket. We got no touch so far. Yeah, we got front run. So maybe this would be now actually really bullish if we start pumping, because all the people that wanted to buy this level got left out. And this would fuel the FOMO buy-ins and then drive price up even more. So that's actually really bullish that we front run it, although I would not be surprised if we come down and test these levels again. Really high cluster of confluence down here, yeah. My next favorite level would basically be 2540 on ETH. I'm gonna pull up some other analysis as well for supports. Sorry, guys. Oh yeah, the pitchfork, the accuracy again, guys. Tack, nice confluence with the monthly. What do you also have? The upside of that pitchfork, where we now came into the weekly, into the midline of this older pitchfork. Yeah, predicted the high, gave a nice target, and then we finally exceeded. But now getting back into it, back testing it, tack. Again, guys, if this doesn't scream long to you, I don't know what does. Monthly on 2 pitchforks. So nice, so nice. And then yeah, now basically we're back into this pitchfork. All in all, I'm looking for a nice bounce on ETH. That's why I went long. Yeah. So now let's go back onto a higher time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and look for resistances so far. What resistances do we have clearly defined? The $4,000 region is a big region of resistance. You can see it, guys. You can see it visually. I will go for the exact dollar levels of these. If you want to write them down right now, you can feel free to do so. No financial advice in these videos, but overall, $4,000 region, big resistance. If we break that, 4,300. Another high volume cluster, 786 weekly, good confluence overall. Yeah, really good confluence overall. So yeah, what are the next levels then? And the naked point of control down here, of course, I will still show you other tools. 1-hour chart, downward sloping channel, predicted the next low really nicely, connecting these two highs with this low, and then yeah, what did we come into this low? Now, out of this low, it gave a nice bounce, but what did it get as well? A swing failure pattern. That's exactly why it took this long right now on ETH. And you can see ETH is outperforming Bitcoin. How do I know this? How do I know that ETH is outperforming Bitcoin? Because I chart the ETH Bitcoin pair, guys. ETH versus Bitcoin. This is how I decide if I will long ETH or if I will long Bitcoin. As you can see, we are at important support on ETH Bitcoin. That means I would rather long ETH than Bitcoin because it gives clear bounces, which it exactly did. I can prove this to you. Yeah, from the low to the current high, 3% on ETH. From the low to the current high on Bitcoin, 2.3%. So almost 1% more on ETH. That's how you can really maximize your wins. Yeah, it gets really complex after time, but again, guys, I'm trading locally. For me, it's all really clear. You have to find your own trading style. All I can give you is the next supports and resistances and what I would like to see to take a trade. Yeah, but other than that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Levels should be clear, as I said. Don't trade too much leverage, trade sensibly, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.